These are the top 40 absolute best Prime Day tool deals that I could find. Some of these at the lowest price ever. Many of these at the lowest price in over a year. And there's one that sold over 30,000 times in the last month. I'll save that one for last. Now let's go. Before we get started, if you'd like to check out any of these tool deals, I put links in the description as well as the pinned comment to help you find them easier. And of course, if you're watching on TV, scan the QR code with your phone, takes you right to my Deals Hub. Speaking of the Deals Hub, there's no way I can put all of the Amazon Prime Day tool deals in one single video. So head over to the website, 731woodworks.com, click on that Tool Deals button, scroll down just a piece, and you will see the Amazon Prime Day Tool Deals Hub. We're going to be updating this live throughout every single day of this event all the way through Friday, so check back regularly. There are a ton of deals to find right there. I'll also put that as the first link in the description to help you find it easier. Now remember, these prices can change at any time. These are what they were at the time I filmed this video, so check links for current pricing. Now, let me show you what I found. First on the list, one of the most popular tools I have ever shown on this channel is on sale for only $10. This is the Rue tool, Japanese handsaw. This thing is 62% off right now. 5,000 of these have sold in the last month. This one is the one to get if you want a little handsaw. Next up, we got 40% off the Bosch 1617 router. This is a 2¼ horsepower router. It's one of my favorite routers that I own. Now this thing is all the way down to only $132 and change. This is near the lowest price it has ever been. It's very close to that lowest price ever. So if you need a router, this is a solid option. Next up, the DeWALT tool set right here is 30% off. It was $92 all the way down to $64 and some change. Over 2,000 of these have been sold in the last month. Next, one of the best deals of the season. This is the lowest price the Bosch 12-inch glide miter saw has ever been. This was $629 all the way down to $449. If you're in the market for a really nice miter saw with that smooth glide, this might be the one to pick up at only $449. One of my favorite table saws of 2025 was the Evolution table saw. Now this comes in two different versions. They have lowered the price. This was $475. It's back to $400. This is the price that it was when I reviewed it, and I absolutely love it for that price. You get a gliding table saw, or sliding table saw right on top, and you also get that outfeed support that makes this very unique. I love this little table saw for $400. And if you want it with the stand, it's only $75 more. It was $575 all the way down to $475 with the stand. This is a great table saw if you're in the market. This DeWALT drill kit is one of the hottest on Amazon right now with over 9,000 sold in the last month. This was $149 all the way down to $126.95 if you need just a drill for around the house or drill and impact with the batteries, everything you need for around the house. This is a kit to get at only $126 bucks. But if you need a little more power, this is the one to get. This is one of my favorite drills. This is the DeWALT 1/2-inch brushless cordless hammer drill. But this one comes with the 8-amp power pack battery. It's DeWalt's best battery. This is also that anti-rotation drill, so it will not break your wrist because it will stop the motor if it gets bound up. It's one of the best features on any drill that I've ever used. This is a great sander. This is the Bosch sander. It's on a fantastic deal. It's all the way down from $369. You're saving 31% off down to $254. This is a dual mode sander as well. What that means is it's gear driven mode. It will take off a lot of material very fast, but you can also switch it back to random orbit mode and it does a nice finished sand. This, very good deal. Very good deal at only $254. If you need drill bits, DeWALT makes some very good ones in this nice little pack right here. 10,000 of these are sold in the last month. This was $18.98. It's all the way down to $14.79. If you need a set of sawhorses that will collapse and save a lot of space, but you can take them out when you get ready to use them, the Bora Workhorse XT, these are the adjustable sawhorses. They are on sale right now. These were $139. They're on sale for 37% off, all the way down to $87. If you need a nice little set of sawhorses, pick these up. Bosch has two different router bit sets on sale right now. First, this 10-piece set is on 55% off. It was $199 all the way down to $89, making this the lowest prices this has ever been. If you need a few more bits, there are this 15-piece set that you can pick up. This is 16% off. It was $90 and change. Now it's all the way down to $76. So it just depends on which bits you need, but both of these solid deals. One of the hottest little tools of 2026 so far has been this little SKIL twist 2.0 rechargeable screwdriver. I had this in the shop. Actually, Chandler, who's our social media manager, he took this home the other day because he liked it so much. This was $44.99 all the way down to $29.98 if I read my writing correctly. This is near the lowest price this has ever been. What's up, Battery Daddy? Everybody loves this thing. I bought this and my wife took it immediately to store her batteries and stuff like that in. This is a great little kit and it's on sale for 23% off all the way down to $15.90. 9,000 of these sold in the last month. Craftsman has this little Ratchet tool set on sale right now for 31% off all the way down to $19.98. If you need a little more workspace than those Bora Workhorse sawhorses gave you, you got to check out the Bora Centipede folding Worktable. These are extremely nice if you just need to set up a quick work table, if you're taking your tools in and out of the shop, anything like that. I talked to a guy yesterday that has one of these and said, hey, how you like them? He loves them for that purpose. Right now, 14% off was $209, all the way down to $179 and change. And of course, you can throw a sheet of plywood on there to make your worktop, or you can add this Bora Centipede tabletop for the Centipede, and what that does is give you a nice worktop with those dog holes. This is also on sale for 31% off, was $89.99, all the way down to $61.73. Craftsman has this tape measure on sale for 22% off, all the way down to $10.98. If you need a tape measure, $10. I've had one of these Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work tables for 5 or 6 years now. I've actually got 2 in the shop. I use them all the time for temporary setup. You can also use them for sawhorses, all sorts. They're just very, very handy to have. This is 30% off, was $149, all the way down to $104.48, and 2,000 of these have been sold in the last month. This is the DeWALT DWS 779 miter saw. It's on sale, 21% off. It was $635, all the way down to $499. I've had this miter saw since 2017, or this model, not this specific one. This is a workhorse in the shop. I have zero regrets on this saw. It's one of my first major purchases. So this is the DWS 780 miter saw. It's the one right above the one I bought, the 779, but this does have that laser line or the shadow line system. So if you want a really good miter saw, this might be the one to check out. You need to stay safe and you need the air to be clean, and that's where this comes in. The WEN 3-speed remote controlled air filtration system. If you need to filter the air in the shop, this is one of the ways to do that. This is on sale for 20% off, was $320, all the way down to $256.78. Every woodworker needs clamps. It's just a rule. It's rule number 731. You got to check these out. These are 27% off. They were $27.90, all the way down to $20.24. That means they're just over $10 a piece for 36-inch clamps. This is a no-brainer. If you need pipe clamps, these Bessie pipe clamps are on sale for 24% off, all the way down to $13.88. Dubbed by me the best sander under $100, the DeWALT 5-inch sander. This thing is on sale right now for Prime Day. This is 25% off. It was $79, all the way down to $59. If you need just a sander under $100, this is the one to get. If you need a flip-top tool stand, say you've got a planer and a jointer or a planer and a drill press, and you want to be able to flip those over, this is a solid option here. This is the PowerTech flip stand. This was $269, all the way down to $229. Helps you save some space. This little DeWALT mini shop vac, handy as a shirt pocket just to have around the shop. Right now, it's on sale for only $119. Kreg makes some of the best woodworking jigs on the market, and this one's no different. The Kreg K4 pocket hole jigs on sale right now for 30% off. It was $99, all the way down to $69. Probably the easiest way I've ever made box joints. This jig right here, the Jessam Precision Box Joint Jig, is on for the lowest price ever. I can't believe they're selling it for this price because of how great this thing is. I was able to take and make box joints extremely easy with this on the router table. Right now, this is on sale for 36% off. It was $249. It's all the way down to $159.99. If you make box joints, anything like that, this is the way to go. Super easy. I've been a fan of DFM Toolworks for a very long time. Right now they have this little tiny square on sale for 24% off. It was $26 and change. Right now only $19.99. Over 2,000 of these little mini hand planes have been sold in the last month, and right now they're 15% off. You can get it for only $11.88. If you need just a little bitty mini plane to take off a little bit, so for some precision work, this is for only like $12, a little less than $12, you gotta pick this up. If you need a few more bits, maybe driver bits, than the one I showed earlier, this 100-piece DeWALT impact and drill bit set is on sale for 50% off. It was $65.99. Right now, you can get it for $32.98. And I have bought these before because I have a bit problem. I buy them if I see them. Klein Tools makes this little mini ratchet to get you into tight spaces. It also has this little thumb wheel that you can work just in case you can't get into that tight space. To be able to ratchet it, you can use the thumb to do it with. Great little tool, and it's made by Klein Tools, we all know and love. This is on sale, 19% off, was $16.98, all the way down to $13.71. Batteries, you gotta have batteries. If you got these DeWALT tools, you need these batteries. Right now, 2 4-amp-hour batteries, 2 2-amp-hour batteries are on sale, all the way down to $129, which makes these about $32 and change each. Solid deal if you need those batteries. This Bosch 5-in-1 little drill is on sale for a screaming good deal right now. 46% off. It was $259. It's all the way down to $139. This is the lowest price this has been in over 6 months. 2 router table options for you here. Right now you can get this SKIL router table and router combo on sale. This is 27% off. It was $219, all the way down to $159.99. This is the lowest price this has been in over a year. I tested this out. It's a solid little option if you need just a basic router table, but the router is the star of the show here. It is a really good little router. Or if you prefer Bosch, they have their router table on sale. This also lowest price in over a year. This was $284. It's all the way down to $149. You know I love storage and organization. These Bora lumber racks make it very easy to store a lot of lumber, and they hold a lot of weight. Right now you can save 29% off. This was $49.99, all the way down to $35.26. This little tiny speaker right here is on sale, and it's one of the hottest selling things on Amazon today. 6,000 people bought it in the last month. It is waterproof, it is dust proof, so if you need something for the shop or the beach or just for around the pool, that sort of thing, or on the piece of machinery, this little speaker right here is on sale for 24% off, all the way down to $37.95. Metabo is known for their nailers. They make really good nailers, and this is no exception. The 18-volt, 18-gauge nailer kit comes with the battery, the charger, and the nailer, all the way down to $129, lowest price in over 6 months. SKIL jigsaw is only $39. If you need a jigsaw around the house for DIY projects or your woodworking projects or anything like that, check this one out for 26% off, all the way down to $39. Next up, the #1 selling MIG welder on Amazon, 110 volt. This thing is all the way down to $99. If you've been thinking about getting a little welder for around the shop, check this one out. I saw this folding camp table and thought, man, this could be very useful for around the house, or if you go camping, anything like that. Right now, this is at the lowest price it has ever been, 61% off, was $99, all the way down to $38.78. If you need some Ego power tools, this string trimmer kit is on sale for the lowest price it has ever been. Right now, it's $199.99, all the way down to $139.99. And if you need a mower to go with that, you can check out this Ego mower. 25% off, was $879, all the way down to $659. This is only $10 more than the lowest price it's ever been. Last January, my power went out, and I needed to be able to charge devices and that sort of thing, so I bought this little Jackery 1000 V2 portable power station. This is very handy to have in case of power outages, or if you go camping, or just need extra power somewhere. This is 50% off, all the way down to $399 from $799. Screaming good deal, $2,000 bought in the last month. Before we get to that last one that sold over 30,000 units in the last month, this little mower is on sale. This is a robot mower. I've been thinking about buying one. Let me know what you think. This is the Mammotion mower. This thing is on sale for $1,000 off, actually $999 off. This is the lowest price it's ever been by $500. This was $3,008, all the way down to $2,009. Seriously good deal if you hate mowing and you just want a robot to do it. This is Grandpa's Weeder. It sold 30,000 units last month. I even have one in my cart right now. This was $39.97. Now it's all the way down to $32.07. One of the most popular viral products on Amazon right now. We've got hundreds more deals over on my website you cannot miss. Go to 731woodworks.com, click on the Tool Deals button. We have deals from Amazon as well as Home Depot, Lowe's, and all over the internet to help you save the most money possible. But don't forget to go check out the Amazon Deals Hub, because we're going to be updating that live throughout the whole week.